Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of exactly what you need to do today. So as every day, we start off by reading the announcement. So that will be right up here. So make sure that you click on it, you read it, you do all the things. As after we read the announcement, um, we need to take attendance, or really even first do attendance. So if you're in first block, click the first block button, fill out the form. If you are in fourth block, click the fourth block button and fill out the form. I've got to have that done every single day. So once you're done, you've read the announcement, you have all your written instructions there, so you can refer back to it if you ever need to. But we're going to go to modules, and then we're going to go to unit 1. And today is Friday, the 28th. So we are doing 828, solving multi-step equations. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to have your notes are there, and then a video. The video is not going to be up first thing in the morning. I'll go ahead and tell you that right now because the old video was bad. So I'm re-recording it in class live. So it may take a minute for it to be up. So if you want to go do another class's work first, then come back. That would be perfect. So it should definitely be up by 11 o'clock at the very, very latest. We'll have this video up and live for you. Okay. So you'll do the notes, watch the video. You can do notes on paper. I think it'll be super, super easy to write those down on notebook paper today. Or you can print them, whatever works best for you. So there's that. And when you're done here, you'll click next at the bottom of the page, and it's going to take you to our homework, which again is super easy to do on notebook paper because you're just solving equations. It's not like you have graphs or anything weird to draw. So feel free to do this on notebook paper. You don't have to print it, but you can. Totally up to you. But what we do need is like the answer. So for the first one, this is one of those like riddle things. So once you get your answer, like we know that we would, I'm like pointing with my finger. If we have the first one here, x minus 2 equals 42, we have to add 2 to both sides to balance that equation, which is going to give us x equals 44. So down at the bottom, you're supposed to like mark out the letters. So like 44 is our answer. So we would put an A up here. I don't care about the letters. I want your numbers. So like the answer 44 is what I need. So once you've done all of those things here, we'll click next. And this is where I need you to enter the numerical answer, the number answer that you get for all your problems. So it's a quiz, kind of like our homework was yesterday. So you'll just again type in the number. So I'm going to preview that for you and show you what it'll look like when you go in. So again, just like yesterday, this is timed and you have limited attempts. So do not click on it. Do not start it until you're ready to answer every single question that there is. Okay. So you can't start, not finish, and come back in. We've got to wait until you are totally done, 100% ready. So we said that like for number 1, our numerical answer, we got x equals 44. So I'll type in 44 here. It shouldn't have issues with entering anything. I mean, they're just numbers. If you need to convert fractions to decimals, whatever, please do that. I showed you guys yesterday how to do that easily, but I think that like if you have one, it's like 1/2 right here. So this one tells you enter your answer as a decimal. So like let's pretend I have 1/2. It tells you that only numerical values are accepted, so 1/2 does not work. So we know that 1/2 is equivalent to 0.5. If you weren't sure, you can open a new tab in Google and type in 1/2, and it tells you right here. Oh gosh, well I clicked the wrong thing. Um, let me try that again. So if we do 1/2, I'm not going to touch the screen this time. It says that 1/2 is 0.5. So we can find that there really easily if you need to. And that's what we'll type in here. So 0.5. And so it likes that answer better. So we're good to go. It shouldn't matter if you put 0.5 or 0.5. I'm pretty sure it accepts both answers there. So once you've done them all, you've entered all your answers, we'll hit submit, and we'll say, okay, whatever. You'll have done them all, so you shouldn't get that message. And then it will tell you what's correct and what's not correct. So just look over it. Obviously, it's good to see what the right answers are supposed to be. But also, if you typed in something and you were like, I'm pretty sure that's right, but it counted it wrong, let me know. And I can fix it for you. So I wasn't sure if that 0.5 or 0.5 was going to be correct there, but it counted it. So again, if something weird happens, just let me know. We'll fix it. No worries on that. So that's it. That's all you've got to do today. I'm going to go back to modules and talk about what needs to be done for this whole week. Okay. So the easiest way to check this for you is to come over to this side and click on grades. and then double check that everything that's there has been submitted, has been turned in. It may not have been graded yet, just depending on where I'm at in my day, but it should all be submitted no later than midnight on Sunday. Okay. So these are all the things I need you submitting. And again, this is listed in your announcement. So look at it there. We have to have turned in the coloring activity, number one. We have to have turned in 1-1 homework, number two. We have to have turned in translating practice, number three. We have to have turned in 1-2 homework, number four. And the last thing you'll have to have turned in is 1-3 homework. I said last thing, but I think you actually have one more thing. I think we're doing the quiz this weekend as well. So that will be this quiz to get that turned in as well. So 5 things all got to be done. Maybe that was 6. I don't know. I lost count. But all these things need to be done. Again, it's in your announcement. Once you've turned in the homework, I'll take you to the quiz as well, so that you know how that works. So you'll go to the quiz. It's very, very similar to how you did your homework. As far as like entering your answers, I believe it's straight on here. Yeah. So you don't need any there's nothing for you to print or anything like that. You'll just go when you're ready. It would probably be really good to have notebook paper to work things out on. Like you must have notebook paper to solve equations and things. So make sure you have that before you get started. So you got all your problems here. I think it's all multiple choice for the most part. Oh, maybe not. But anyways, do your best, fill in all the questions, and when you're done, you'll hit submit. Just as usual, if something looks weird, let me know, and I can fix it for you. If you have any issues, let me know, and I'll try to fix it for you. So yeah, there should be a checklist in the announcements to get all the things done by Sunday at midnight. So make sure that you're double checking that. And as I've said 5 times now, if you have any questions at all, let me know. Thanks. Have a good weekend, guys.